Live.
What's going on, everybody?
What's up, everybody? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. If you're not
Been
new
here before, yeah, thanks for stopping in. if you're new here, thanks for stopping in. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Appreciate you.
There you go.
I'll
Well,
have to stream on my end so I can see it.
we hope everybody's having a absolutely wonderful day. And welcome to the live stream. This is the 4th, 5th, 6th, one of the in between.
Yeah, one of them, 5th or 6th, I think.
It's one of these
consecutive live. Nice to see everybody.
So Brennan,
obviously we're gonna stage chat.
Brennan, tell them why they're here. Tell them what OSSA.AI is. I mean, we're gonna have people watching this recording wondering what are these two bald guys doing on the camera right now. What do they got to say? Who are Cole and Brennan? I mean, first, Brennan, give them a little intro on who you are.
Yeah, great deal. I'd love to. Well, for everybody that doesn't know me, I'm Cole's business partner, Brennan Duncan. Nice to meet you. Head of growth here at OSSA.AI, co-founder here at OSSA.AI. Glad to have you with us. If you're not familiar with what OSSA.AI is, over the last few days, we've been getting the word out there on Cole's socials and starting the movement of getting people up to speed with what OSSA.AI is. Essentially, what Cole and I have built is the world's first platform that turns words into full videos that are ready to upload on social media. So you put text in one side and out the other side, you get a fully ready to upload, optimized and engineered for engagement video that can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels in just one click. It's absolutely revolutionary. Everybody we show is... Thank you. I needed that. Everybody we show is just blown away at the fact that what comes out of it, their reaction is just like, there's no way that can be just from just words. If you want to see it for yourself, then hop over into the Discord. We do a stage call with the community where you can ask us questions and chat with Cole and I every day at 3 p.m. PST and 6 p.m. Eastern, which is in like 25 minutes. So we do this every day. Yep.
Awesome.
And that's essentially it. OSSA.AI, you take words, make videos.
Exactly. And I want to show you guys real quick. Anyone who is new here, welcome, guys. You probably have seen me next to my girlfriend with hair. Yes, my head is shaved now. Let's address the elephant in the room. But I want to show you guys a little bit about what Brennan has just explained, because this is revolutionary. We have democratized influence. We have made influence accessible to everyone. I want to give you just an idea of exactly what he was saying there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So I'm going to go ahead and show screen here. And what I'm going to show you is an actual script that was provided by one of our community members. So imagine you right now, you watching this live stream, you have a script. You've always wanted to create content. You've tried picking up the phone, maybe doing some TikTok dances, maybe trying to be funny. Maybe you're not so funny. Maybe you're not so good at dances. Maybe you're like me. And maybe you're like, okay, I'm never gonna be able to be a content creator. If that is you sitting there right now and you have tried to make content before, I'm here to tell you that we are here to save your dream. OSSA.AI is here to save your dream of creating content. When we go live to the public on December 1st, perhaps earlier, perhaps later, but December 1st, no later, will we be releasing the beta. Influence will then be democratized for you guys. And I'm going to show you exactly what that means right now. So what do I mean by that? This script here, this text, has created this whole video I'm about to show you.
What is special about comic books? Here is the answer to that question. They give struggling readers confidence. Comic books don't intimidate struggling readers with an overwhelming page of text. They usually offer short and easy-to-read sentences alongside other visual and text cues for context.
So, Brennan, give them a little idea before I pull up another video. Tell them, dive a little bit deeper into what just happened there.
Yeah, what you just saw was content creation being democratized in a nutshell. What you just saw is text that created a full video that is ready to upload across all social media platforms. For the first time ever, influence is accessible to anyone with an internet connection and the ability to write English text.
This is true.
It cannot be exaggerated that entire video that you see, the subtitles, the contextual images in the background, the transitions, the voice that's narrating it, it all came from that initial subset of words. There's no post-production. We did not touch that in a video editing software just to have a fancy prototype to show you on a live stream. That's exactly what our software spit out, and it spits out consistently. And Cole has taught me one of the pillars to success on social media is consistency and being able to upload on a consistent basis. And with OSSA.AI, it has never been easier to be consistent because you're the only parameter, you're the only barrier to entry, your ability to just open the application, type words, and hit generate. That's the only barrier to entry for anybody that creates content with OSSA.AI. So what you just saw is content creation being democratized in real time.
This is true. And guys, I want to show you another video here. Imagine you, the user, you who are watching this video right now. I'm talking to you. Yes, you. If you are watching this, you will have access to this tool. You will no longer ever say that you cannot create content. You cannot have influence on social media. Take a look. I'm going to show you another video right now just to put this in perspective. Here's another video. I'm sure everyone has seen videos like this. The rule number 51, rule number 1 videos. This content right here, also possible through the platform. Check it out.
Rule number 51, listen actively. Listening is an art that many overlook. Be a listener, and you'll hear not just words, but also opportunities. Sometimes the answer to your most pressing question is hidden in another person's story.
There's not too much more to be said. There's not too much more to be said. All I got to say is whatever Brennan's about to say, because it was probably pretty spicy.
What I'm going to say is it's insane. The idea that script was submitted by one of you that's probably listening to this live stream right now. That's not a script that was written by myself or by Cole. That's a script that was written by a community member. They used the submit a script channel inside the Discord, and they wanted to see what the product could produce with their own creativity. And they brought their own words and put their words into the submit a script channel, just like you could right after this live stream and after the stage call in just a few minutes. And we processed that in the back end, and now we're showing it on the live stream, just like we promised them we would. But the idea that piece of content was generated by somebody with zero experience that does not know how to professionally write content or create content or generate content for that matter, they created that, which is just so unbelievably amazing to me. And it makes me feel really good that the product that we built is going to help change so many lives and the landscape of social media as we know it in general.
Exactly. I mean, just to touch on that, so well said by Brennan there, the head of growth here at OSSA, right? Something that's incredible is I was just chatting with an individual. I'm not going to say his name, but he's an individual who does extremely well on social media, manages over 25 accounts. A lot of those are faceless content accounts. I'm sure there's somebody watching this replay right now. Maybe you already have a faceless account. Maybe you always wanted to hop on this trend of creating faceless content. There's people making hundreds of thousands, if not millions per year, farming influence through faceless content. It's a whole business model. It really is, right? And I'm talking to this individual who's making around $80,000 a month doing faceless content. He has 20 to 25 channels. He's also a social media manager. Anyways, he's basically coming to us asking very strongly, when can I pay for this product? He's already asking me. We haven't even released the beta. And he's out here telling me, someone who has tons of expertise, making tons of money on social media, creating content, just like what you see right here. He's asking, when can I pay for the product? So, and he's excited just to talk about it. He's going to be using it for his own platform. He's going to build up his own account, or multiple accounts using our tool. He's going to monetize it, and then he's going to show the rest of the world. And there's going to be tons of people doing this. And we're just looking forward to all the individuals that are going to be able to benefit from this tool. I mean, if you look at TikTok, right, how they're paying out tons of money for content over 60 seconds. And speaking of, right, if you want to create content, one big thing that we provide, if you are watching this replay, if you're watching it right now, one of the big distinguishing factors, and I know if you are a faceless content creator, you've already seen it, but I'm just going to say it now. All of our content is monetizable because it's all unique. And if you look at all these other tools, there's multi-million-dollar companies that are offering a tool to maybe cut up, a long-form video, maybe like a Mr. Beast video or, a Jordan Peterson video, right? Like a podcast or any of these guys, right? And you put it in and it clips it up for you and it adds captions. But guess what? you can't really monetize that, because once YouTube catches on, you can't steal someone else's content and then monetize it. It's just, you're going to get copyright strikes. So the same thing happened for me with TikTok, because I was talking to Brennan about this. For my personal content, I was trying to repost my content in compilations, and they weren't monetizing me because it has to be original content. All of the content generated through our platform is completely original, meaning that you have full ownership over the entire asset and micro assets within the content, meaning that this is all completely monetizable content. Everything that comes out of our platform, no single video is the same. There's no stock footage being generated. There's no iStock bullshit on the screen, for lack of a better word. This is all genuine content, and it's absolutely unique to you. And we pride ourselves on that. You know, there's other companies that are doing things different ways, and they're finding tons of success, and congratulations to them. But from my perspective, what we are trying to accomplish is something that is different. And it takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of work. It takes someone like me on the team that has tens of thousands of hours of expertise that looks at a video and says, that's not good enough, or that's not optimized for engagement. And that's the last thing I want to add here, among many other things, is that what you have access to here is essentially an influencer's brain who has 6.5 million followers and 4 billion plus views across all platforms, has generated multiple six figures yearly through social media. You are literally speed running it, straight up rainbow roading that bitch all the way straight to my brain. You are essentially totally Minecraft speed running it all the way to my brain. You don't have to pay for courses. You don't have to pay for any of that. You don't have to spend thousands of hours on trying to understand the ins and outs of social media and what optimizes, engagement. That is built into the tool. The transitions are happening at the most optimal time to increase the highest amount of engagement. The images are contextual to the actual words on the screen. Let me say that again. The images you see aren't random. They're not just pulled through some vector database, through some stock footage, through some third party. These are generated in-house through our own custom API, our own intellectual property, which we have custom generated for each theme that we're going to deliver to the end user that is optimized for engagement. What else do I have to say, brother?
Yeah, no, it's literally insane. There's nobody else in the entire market that's offering something that's even in the same ballpark as us. This is a complete category of one, a product that is way ahead of its time. We are the trailblazers in this genre. Text to video generation that's ready to upload, that's optimized and engineered for engagement is something that will pop up more and more over the next coming months and years. But we are the first ones here, in capitalizing on this movement before everyone else tries to capitalize on the movement is where the people that really take advantage of it are. I mean, in any industry ever, being before the curve is the best place to be on the curve, right? You want to take advantage of the huge uptick in people leveraging this type of content. And so the way that Cole and I see it is every single person that joins the community and comes down and hangs out with us is a person that is so early in something so large. And we're blessed to have every single person that comes in, because without
Absolutely.
the community, we don't have a product, right? And at the end of the day, this is one thing I want everyone in here that's listening right now to know is we're calling on people that are listening to live stream, people just like yourself. We're calling on you to come into the Discord community and try the product for us. December 1st, the beta launches, and people just like you are going to have an opportunity to use this product for the first time before anybody else at no cost to you. People that get accepted into the beta program, which is first come, first serve for qualified people. So make sure you go and apply as soon as possible. The people that do get accepted into it are going to get a certain amount of credits that they get to use to generate their own videos. And we were doing the math this morning, but essentially if you do 20-second videos, you're going to get 30 free videos at your disposal to go upload across all of your social media platforms.
How many videos?
30. Yes, 30. At 20 seconds a clip, 30 videos. That is, you know what it would cost you to go hire an editor to edit 30 videos right now to test out a brand new page?
let me interject. I actually do, brother. I have an idea. And that's gonna run you, if you find, just to put that in perspective, right? To create 30 pieces of content like what you see here, first of all, what do you have to do? Well, number one, you have to come up with the script, right? Which, granted, we're going to help our community with that. We have tons of creators already in here that are willing to help our community come up with amazing scripts, guide them through the process, right? But that's the smallest part of it. The biggest part is, okay, after the idea, what do I do? Well, from there, right, let's say that you do have a script and you want to give it to an editor, right? Cool. Well, first of all, he has to know all of the right assets to put in there, right? So, and let's just take a step back from there. First of all, you have to go find the editor. Where are you going to find him? Upwork, maybe Fiverr. Cool. Okay, so you're going to screen through editors. So you got to make a job post. You got to hire an editor. Now you have to have a skill set of interviewing an editor. You have to have the skill set to understand if they're a quality editor. What does that mean? Well, that means essentially you need to have content creation experience because you need to know what is a good editor. Let me see your portfolio. Okay, is this good or bad? If you don't have the skill sets to understand what is good content creation, what is engaging content, you don't have the skill set to hire that editor. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so let's just say you do. Cool. Well, then if you want to find a good short form editor, you're looking at anywhere between $20 to $40 an hour. And how are you supposed to know how long they're going to be editing for, especially if it's a new editor? What if they charge you 2 hours a video? Even if it's 1 hour video, that's $20 to $40 a day just for one piece of content. One piece of content, and that's not it. They have to edit the content, which is probably going to take at least 24 hours if they're really fast, typically a couple days, right? And then even then, you're not promised that video is going to be optimized for engagement because you are essentially bending to that expertise level of that content editor. So cool. Okay, no problem. You want to have a better video? Great. Okay, so now you're getting $50 plus per hour. So now you're paying somebody probably $50 plus per video. If they're really fast and you find a really good editor, you might find someone for like probably $30 to $40 that could maybe do 2 videos an hour. So cool. $20 to $30 an hour for the top tier editor. And even then, you still are not promised that the video is optimized for engagement because you are bending to the subjective understanding of that editor's understanding of what makes a video do well. And if that editor doesn't have credentials that proves that their editing style is going to perform, then you're essentially shooting in the dark. So, oh, and by the way, you have to do it every single day for the next 5 years. And then maybe
let me introduce him to an alternate reality here, Cole, where it doesn't have to be like that. And instead, they don't have to rely on some random person's expertise. Instead, they can rely on your expertise. Billions of views, might I add, over a matter of just a few years. Billions of views. They can rely on your expertise by using the product that you have curated and built up with Jaden and I over the last 12 months. We're talking 11-hour days, 6 days a week, grinding to make sure that the product that you get in your hands is the best possible product. And if we take it back to the beta testing, which you have the opportunity to go apply to right now, there will be thousands of beta testing applications in before December 1st. But if you're applying now, you're still within the first 200. So your odds of getting in are still a lot higher than they will be if you apply in 2 weeks from now. But you have access to 10 minutes of creating content. And at 20-second clips, that's 30 videos. 30 videos. And at Cole's map that he just laid out right there, that's a multi-$1,000 investment that you would make in yourself to attempt to become a content creator. And instead, we're giving people the power to do that for themselves for the first time ever. Creativity is the only thing that you should have to bring to the table when it comes to creating social media content moving into 2024. You just have to be mildly creative. If you have an internet connection and you can type English text, you can create content moving into 2024. Why? Because OSSA.AI is a thing. OSSA.AI exists and it's empowering people and democratizing content creation. Firing me up. Every time we do these live streams, I just love it.
I know, bro. It's incredible.
Absolutely firing me up.
Yeah, and I feel like the best thing we can do now is let everybody know how to be a part of it, right?
Yeah, sorry, I unplugged my headphones there. I got all fired up and ripped the headphone.
No, I was just saying the last thing we should do here before we hop into this daily Discord call. So if you're watching this right now, and whether it's the 6th of November, whether it's the second week, whether it's the third week, whether it's the last day of November, you can find us on the live Discord call every single day at 3 p.m. PST without fail. We're here to answer your questions. The beta is still open as we speak. I'm going to be honest, it's filling up pretty fast. We have I think we have around 100 applicants, and that's growing every single day. And the honest truth is we're not going to have 100 people testing the beta. It's going to be a handful of those people. So the longer that you wait to come and join and apply for the beta, the less likely it's going to be, unless you're in there with the stage calls with us at 3 p.m. PST, because we're really recognizing the people that are there supporting us. So every single day that you wait to join the Discord is a potential day that's going to negatively impact the chance of you testing out this revolutionary tool. So I encourage every single one of you, if you're listening to this right now, whether it's live, whether it's in the recording, click the link below. Come and join the Discord. Come say what's up. We're always in here every single day. You can come chat with me and Brennan. We're on every single day at 3 p.m. PST, 6 p.m. Eastern in the stage chat right here. You can see on your screen right here in the stage chat. So make sure that you guys come and join. The event's always up here, so you can always hit here, hit interested, so you get notified when we go and open up that stage chat. We have an awesome community. We're over 600 members now within the last 6 days. And we haven't even released the product yet. That's 600 people that have joined with the understanding of this product changing the world. And it's only been 6 days. Imagine where we stand in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Once this product goes live, there's no doubt in my mind that this Discord will be breaking 5 figures and eventually 6 figures. So really looking forward to all you guys joining. Click the link below to come join the Discord. If you want to apply for the beta, once you join, come down here, click apply for beta. You can watch this video of this handsome man right here talking about how to actually apply for the beta, what it means to be a beta tester, what you can expect as a beta tester. And yeah, we're really looking forward to seeing all you guys in there. And thank you so much for all the support.
Thank you, guys. See you in the Discord, and make sure you apply for the beta. You submit your scripts. Let us use your scripts to create content, and we'll see you in the Discord stage call in just a few minutes. And if not, we'll see you back here tomorrow, same time. Peace.
Last thing I want to say is that this is going to be a just for the record, before it does, we're going to break 10,000 users within the first 12 months.
Huge. And did you already end the live?
Nope.
Okay, I'll just say this. Cole and I created a new role called the OG role, which can only be acquired by attending the daily stage calls at this stage in OSSA. So if you want the bragging rights in 9 months, when we're one of the largest growing startups in the entire world, and you can say, I got the OG role.
It's true.
And you can't get the OG role anymore, but I got the OG role because I was there in the very beginning. Now is your last opportunity to be able to get the OG role. Just want to throw that out there.
All right, guys. Much love. We will see you in the Discord.